The tomatoes from Sundrop are grown with sustainability at their core. What we're doing here is providing a high quality product which has the least impact on the environment. I'm Steve Marifiotti. I'm the Chief Executive of Sundrop Farms. We grow Truss tomatoes and we're here in Port Augusta in South Australia. One of our key philosophies on this farm is to work with nature and not against it. Port Augusta is a pretty special place. It has an incredible amount of natural light, specifically in the winter, which means that we can produce high quality tomatoes all year round. Growing tomatoes in this way has a lessened impact on the planet. We've replaced the need to use fossil fuels with renewables. We use concentrated solar power. We have a series of 24,000 mirrors continually tracking the sun, and we collect the heat that runs the farm. We also desalinate seawater. We don't use fresh water. We use nature in our favour to maximise the product.
We do pamper the tomatoes. It's a bit like a luxury spa. I try and make sure they stay fit and well.
This farm is all hand-picked and we produce around 13,500 tonnes of tomatoes a year. Somebody's put their signature to each and every one of those tomatoes by hand-picking them all the way through to hand delivering them to Coles.
When customers eat our tomatoes, they can expect a flavoursome, juicy experience. It's a great feeling when I go into Coles and see my tomatoes that I've cared for, and it's great to see people enjoying them.
My family has a long history in farming. All my family originate from southern Italy. One of my grandfathers was a tomato farmer in glasshouse tomatoes. We get to continue my grandfather's legacy here on the farm. I'm so proud of what we're doing here. We produce high quality products every day, and that's a very hard thing to do consistently. We love looking after our people, we love looking after the environment, and we want to give customers the very, very best product. We build our own culture off the back of a great relationship with Coles.